Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to view cart on Cricket Wireless. So if you also want to view cart on Cricket Wireless, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now simply click on the search bar. Now what you have to do is type in cricketwireless.com. After that, you'll be led to the official website of Cricket Wireless. From here, you'll be able to shop the affordable cell phones. So if you want to view the cart, it is very simple. First of all, I'll tell you how to add something to cart. All you have to do is click on this option phones and devices. Now here you can see several cell phones. Click on the cell phone that you like the best. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Scroll down. Now here you'll be able to find the option for select device. All you have to do is click on it. Now this device has been added to cart. Now simply go back. Now what you have to do is click on the cart icon that you can see right over here. Now from here you'll be able to view the cart. You'll be able to see all the devices that you've added to cart over here. So that is how you view cart on Cricket Wireless. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.